Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on binomial distribution. Let us solve the problem. If 20% of screws produced by a machine are defective, then determine the probability that out of 20 screws taken at random, none, second exactly 2, and third at the most 3 are defective. Therefore, here the given information is happening of an event is that screws produced are defective, and therefore here P is 20%, means 20 by 100, means it is zero point 0.2, and therefore value of Q not happening of an event means screw is not defective. It is 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8, and the value of N is 20 screws we have to take at random. Therefore, with this information, we try to find out probability for none screw is defective, second, exactly 2 are defective, and the third, at the most 3 are defective. Therefore, formula P of R is equals to NCR P raised to R and Q raised to N minus R, a formula for a binomial distribution. Then we try to find out probability for unknowns, means R is equals to 0. When R is 0, substituting the value of N as 20, C 0, then P is 0.2, raised to R is 0, and Q 0.8 raised to N minus R, 20 minus 0, we get 20. And therefore, simplifying it by calculator, we get the value of 20C0 as 1. 0.2 raised to 0 is again 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. And 0.8 raised to 20 is 0.0115. 0.0115. And if we take a multiplication of all this, we get that probability as 0.0115. This is the required value or the required probability when none screw is a defective. Then we go for the second probability for exactly 2 screws defective, and by formula it is NCR, N is 20, C R is 2, P is 0.2, raised to R is 2, Q is 0.8 raised to N minus R, 20 minus 2, we get that quantity as 18. And then by calculator, if we perform the value 20C2, we get as 190, 0.2 raised to 2 as 0.04, and 0.8 raised to 18 as 0.018. Check all this calculation by yourself also. And then the product of all these three quantities, 190 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 0.018 is 0.1368. This is the required probability for R is equal to 2. Exactly 2 defectives is 0.1368. Answer for the second. And then we go for the third. Probability at the most 3. At most 3 are defective. Uh, there are two types of quantities: at the most and at least. Whenever at the most, we take up to that quantity from 0. Therefore, it is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 and plus P of 3. Here, out of these four quantities, already we have calculated P of 0 and P of 2. Therefore, I will write down that value directly. We have P of 0 as 0.0115. 0.0115. Already we have calculated this. P of 2 also we have calculated. It is P of 2 as just it is 0.1368. Then for the remaining two quantities, we perform the calculation. P of 1 means for R is equals to 1, N is 20, C 1, P is 0.2, raised to R is 1, Q is 0.8, raised to N minus R, 20 minus 1, we get 19. And therefore, by calculator, 20C1 is 20, 0.2 raised to 1 is 0.2, and 0.8 raised to 19 is 0.018. Taking a multiplication of these three terms, we get that value as 0.072. 20 multiplied by zero point 0.2 multiplied by 0.018. That product is 0.072. This is P of 1. And P of 3, when R is 3, it is NCR 20C3 0.2 raised to 3, 0.8 raised to N minus R, 20 minus 3, we get 17. And therefore, by calculator, 20C3 is 1140. Find it by calculator using that key of NCR 1140. 0.2 raised to 3 is 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. 8 into 10 raised to minus 3, and 0.8 raised to 17 is 0.022. 0.022. And therefore, if we perform this, we get that value as 0.200. 0.200 P of 3. Taking the addition, we get probability for at most 3 as P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 and plus P of 3. And therefore, substituting values, P of 0 is 0.0115, P of 1 is 0.072, P of 2 is 0.1368, and plus P of 3 as 0.200. And if we take the addition of all this, value is coming as 0.4 2, 0, 3. This is the required probability for having at most at the most 3 screws are defective. Therefore, like this, uh, I have performed the calculation for the 3 questions. For 0 means none, then for exactly 2 screws defective, and what is the probability for at the most 3 screws are defective. Like this, we can perform the calculation. One more I will discuss in my next video. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for my such type of new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.